everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am doing an unboxing today, something that came in the mail, and I think you might be interested in this. So let's get to it. Now, I know what this is, and I'm sure you've seen the title of this, so you know what it is. This is an oldie, nothing special. But I've been wanting one, and this just happened to be on eBay and for a decent price. And you know what? Sometimes you just want to have a little fun, right? So we have some extra bags, and you can kind of see the picture on there, what this is, and by the title you know what it is. But it looks like we have... Holy crap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags it looks like. And a vacuum shoved in here. So a lot of you know about this vacuum. I've never used one, never seen one in person. But to me, it's kind of like an Orc, maybe an upgraded Orc, if you will. But let's get it out of here if we can. So we have a bag, and we have a handle, and we have the main unit. Well, so much for packaging, huh? That was it. Okay. Something in there rattling around. What is rattling around in there? I hear it, but I can't get it out. All right, I'm going to put this on pause and see if we can figure out what is in here rattling before I do anything. Okay, so I figured it out. So basically, all that rattling around inside was this plastic piece along with its screw. And basically what this is, this fits underneath the motor, and holds it upright so that it stays upright, and it, you know, clicks, and then the handle comes down. It's the handle release. That's what's broken inside. And I found this big chunk of wet, I don't know what it is, but that was inside clogging the motor. And if you can see on my floor, this is all the debris and my hands of all the crap that was inside. So if you give me a second, I'll be back and we're going to see if this thing works. Give me a second. Okay, so basically, like I was saying, that plastic piece is what keeps the handle upright, and it seems to stay, but it does want to fall back, because normally you could put your foot here and pull it back and it'll stay. You could use this and then it would go back up. So if you just don't touch it, it'll stay upright. So anyways, we're going to plug this thing in and hope and pray it works and not blow up. I put a bag in it. The belt is a bit loose. I do not have another belt, I don't think. I can check my shop. It does have a quick cord release. Just getting very... So there you go. See, it just falls over on its own. It doesn't have that plastic piece that keeps it in the upright position. So let's just hope it works. So it works. Let's see if it picks up the mess it put on the carpet. So it works. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put you down on the floor and let's put some dirt down and see what it can do. Ooh, look at them toes. So what we have is, of course, we have our rice. And we're going to put down some ground coffee, something dark to see. Our house is a flippin' mess. We just got back from a camping trip and I have yet to put anything back. And when you get home and you see all these boxes on your front step, you're just excited to want to open them. But there you go, is some ground coffee. Smells good. And let's vacuum it up. Let's see what this thing can do. Not bad. I didn't see any snow plowing. I'm not seeing any. Oh, there's one piece of rice. And now the living room smells like coffee. That's a good thing, I guess, if you like coffee. I love coffee. Not bad. It did pick it up on one sweep. So let's keep going. done. It definitely needs a good overhaul and cleaning, which I can do. It's got a lot of sticky stuff up here on the handle, and there's a lot of scuff marks. If you can see the hood, a lot of scuff marks on it, which I can probably polish that out. Let me get you put back up on the pedestal. There you go. I guess I can back it up. There you go. So it does work. This handle is very loose. So I wonder if I can tighten that up. I think so. Let me get a screwdriver. Well, okay, let's see if we can wind this baby up. Okay, so as you see, this is the Aeros Fresh Air with the allergy guard filtration. And you know, let's see if it has a sticker on the back. I never read the sticker. "120 volts, 4 amps, model U as an umbrella, 162C as in cat, made in Canada." Huh. Aeros Canada Incorporated, Dallas, Texas on the other side. So again, it's 4 amps, 120 volts, 60 hertz. But there you go. All in its glory. It needs a little bit of help. I am kind of disappointed. As you saw when I took it out of the box, I could hear automatically that something was broken, something was rattling. Again, that was the plastic piece that sits underneath the motor that keeps the handle in the upright. But now it'll stay up, but if you tap it a little bit, it will fall down. And again, that was this piece that's broken underneath the motor. And we found this clogging the motor port. Anyway, there it is. It does run. It needs some TLC. I'm going to do an overhaul and so forth. Anyways, eBay find. Anyways, thanks for coming along. I greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel. That would make me happy. Maybe give it a thumbs up and ring that bell, so each and every time I load a video, you will be notified. I can't use my finger. As you can see, I was trying to put my thumb up. You see, I can only do my finger that far. It was damaged during our camping trip. The dog decided to take off, and the leash got stuck around my finger and yanked it. So, bad dog, bad dog. Anyways, thanks for coming along. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.